in the big food plot, 600-acre project that we're working on. Luckily, the client here is a heavy construction contractor, so we have access to a lot of equipment we wouldn't ordinarily have or could afford to rent. So we're going to actually move all the big stone and the big stumps to a staging area to sell some rock, bury the stumps, and it should be a nice looking food plot when we're done. In a couple of weeks we'll be trucking some lime in here, possibly compost. As soon as we get the wood off the landing, there's still a lot of wood on the landing. So this baby is going to end up being a little over 2 acres, and that's going to be our main destination food plot. And then I'll have smaller food plots out that way with connecting trails in between. They'll connect one to the other. That way you could set up your tree stands on those connecting trails and catch deer movement that way. So trying to set it up as well as we can for hunting, and you can see that the TSI harvesting is done. That's what 40 to 50 square feet of basal area looks like when you're finished. Plenty of acorns left, plenty of timber growing in the woods. All we took out was mostly junk, firewood, pulpwood, and left all the timber that's good to grow. So that timber over the next 20 years will probably double in board footage. So rather than take out that footage now, when it's too small to really take, we open things up and allow more resources to go to those trees so they can grow even faster.